And with that, our journey through the magnificent 6 seasons of Bangladesh comes to an end. We sincerely thank you, our cherished viewer, for taking this time to explore the unique characteristics, transformations, geography, and cultural richness that each season brings to this incredible land. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of nature here, from summer's intense heat to winter's gentle chill, and how each plays a vital role in shaping the landscapes and lives of its people. Your curiosity and engagement mean the world to us. Thank you for watching, and we hope this visual journey has left you with a sense of wonder and a desire to discover even more about the vibrant tapestry of Bangladesh. Until next time, take care.
সবুজের মাঝে স্বপ্ন সাজাই বাংলা মায়ার অঞ্চলে বাঁধা 6 ঋতুর রেঞ্জে আকায় আসা গ্রীষ্ম বর্ষা শরৎ হেমন্ত শীত আর বসন্ত সবার সঙ্গে চলন্ত